powerful English words to sound smarter and professional at workplace. Want to sound more professional at workplace? So here are the 10 words that make you sound smarter. First word is prioritize. It means to decide what is important. For example, I must prioritize my work. Second, productive. Doing meaningful work. For example, today was a productive day. Third, implement. To put an idea into action. For example, we will implement the new plan tomorrow. Fourth, efficient. Working in a smart way. This method is more efficient. Fifth, clarify. To make something clear. For example, can you clarify the deadline? Sixth, coordinate. Work together smoothly. For example, let's coordinate for the presentation. Seventh, evaluate. Check or assess something. For example, we must evaluate our progress. Eight, it is initiative. Take any action fast. She took the initiative to start speaking English. 9, professionalism. Behaving responsibly. Your professionalism is appreciated. Last, it is concise. Short and clear. Keep your email concise. So, you will be making 5 sentences with any of the 5 new words in the comments. So, start using it daily and within 7 days, you will see a clearer and sharper and more professional. Follow for more.